Okay, guys, and it says your cube is connected, and here on the top, on the right, it shows 100%, which is the battery level. And so you can spin it around. And now you can see your virtual cube and your physical cube. And then it'll ask you if they match, and yes, they do. And now it'll just tell you a tip. And then I don't know how to solve a cube, so I'll just put just getting started. And then it'll teach you different ways to solve it, and then like how to learn, and I'll ask you about notifications. And then here there's different games you can play with the cube, a timer, a solver, a leaderboard, and the website. And here are matches against other people. And now if you start it, it'll show you like the different ways to solve it, and an algorithm book, and practicing it. So first, let's start the basics. So you have the green and the white facing toward you, with the green facing toward you and the white on the top. And it'll tell you to keep your device's sound on for helpful audio cues. And then it moves whenever you move it. And then it says, what's the color of the highlighted face? And this is really easy. Green. And red. Oh. Directly opposite to the yellow, it's white. Edge pieces. How many edge pieces does your cube have? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know, I really don't care. And which edge piece goes in the highlighted spot? So green and the red. The last type of piece is the corner piece, and it's got 8. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And thank you, and make sure to subscribe and like with notifications on, and also make sure to subscribe to Death Rod 999.